Welcome back to my channel. I feel like why not. Today we talk about the Nobel Prize Physiology in Medicines and awarded by Karolinska Institute from the student and 2025. There are three scientists from the Brunkow, Ramsdell and Sakaguchi from the Japan and awarded by Nobel Prize Physiology in Medicines from the 2025. And their discovery of the how to T regulatory cells responsible for the immune system and the genes FOX3 genes, regulatory genes responsible for the autoimmune disease and their work from the autoimmune disease and responsible for the FOX3 gene. And this is the discovery is great for the autoimmune disease. In this disease, there is many types of autoimmune disease. So this is the great achievement, and for hoping this discovery a great achievement, and rewarded Nobel Prize Physiology in Medicines from the 2025. Thank you so much.